Hello beautifuls and welcome back to my channel. Why are you looking at me like that?
You do the same thing.
That's the point. So as promised, I am back with my Allure beauty box unboxing. So I opened the box and it comes with like a nice quote on the inside. Sheet masks and chill. That's a good one. And then in every box it comes with a little info packet, and it basically lists all of the products that come in your little box, gives a description on them, the price, and all of that good stuff. So I have all the information for you guys here. The first one in the box is the, oh, this looks like pretty full size. It is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. It says with, I can't even read. I don't have my glasses on. Where are my glasses? Do you know where my glasses are?
It reads within 15%. Oh hell no! I don't know what the hell that big ass word says.
Let me see if I can read it from
THD. I can't read, guys. THD ascorbate, the gold standard of the vitamin C to rapidly brighten the appearance of the skin and boost vital skin bonus in a flash. Or bounce, skin bounce.
There you have it.
Like I said, I can't read.
So this is the size of the bottle. This is really big. We normally don't get stuff this big in the box. Like there's other stuff in here that are pretty smaller, like smaller sizes. So I mean, this seems pretty full size for the product, and this full price is $85. So I'm gonna have to find out if this is full size or not, or if it's just a sample, because if this is a sample, that's pretty big. So the next thing in the box is this Works in Transit Camera Close-Up Moisturizer. It's a mask and moisturizer and primer in one, so saves you some money. Hopefully this works well. Full price, it retails for $55. They actually have a discount code right here. So if you sign up for the Allure Beauty Box, this is not a sponsored video. If you enter their promo code, you get 20% off of your purchase of $30 or more. And it ends January 31st. So if you sign up for this box, you probably won't get it in time, but maybe for next month there will be more coupons. The next product is for your hair. It is the one by Frederick, one and then some. Oh my god. Guys, I really can't see. I need my glasses. Hold on one second. So just to let you guys know, no, I am not blind, but I do have what's called a stigmatism. So basically my eyes are shaped like a football versus like a sphere, and it causes problems with how I focus my eyes, and I'm also nearsighted, like I can't see far, so I have to like hold it up to my face like that, and even still, because I can't focus my eyes, it doesn't help. So I wear my glasses, and I ran out of contacts, so I'm stuck wearing my glasses. So it is the one by Frederick Fike, I think that's how you say his last name, one and then some dry texturing spray. This full size retails for $29. This is just a sample size, and there is also a discount code for this one as well, another 20% off. So it says, shake it up and holding the bottle 6 to 10 inches away from the hair, mist from roots to ends for ultimate volume, flip hair upside down and spray. So maybe, I just did my hair, but let's see if it gets me some volume. I have pretty thick hair, I have a lot of volume in my hair naturally, but let's just see. Ooh, it smells great. Put a little bit at the root. And then it says to flip your hair upside down and shake. Wow, I'm gonna look crazy. Well guys, I can say I have a lot of volume. Look at my hair now. Oh my goodness. I don't necessarily think stuff like that I really need. I have a lot of volume to my hair naturally. But the bigger, the better, right? So it smells amazing and it's 29 bucks, which is not that bad. And if you have the Allure Beauty Box already and you did receive this, you do get 20% off your order. So awesome blossom, right guys? The next thing I'm supposed to be getting in the box is the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in Rosewood. So mine came in this little box. Let's just open it up. Oh, cute. This retails for $20 and I also have a discount code for this one. This is what it looks like. It's like a beautiful mauve. Oh my god. Look at my nail. I need to get my nails done so bad. They look awful. But anyways, ignore my ugly nail. That is what it looks like. And yeah, so like I said, I have a discount code for this and full price is 20 bucks. The next one is the Rodeo Smoky Eye Pen. This retails for $21. I also have a discount code for this. And it's a creamy kohl sharpenable eye pencil. Everything you can love and nothing to hate. That's what it says here. So mine came in the shade black. Ooh, that is very creamy. But this does not look sharpenable. How would you sharpen this? This looks like plastic. I don't know. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Super creamy. Like, I'll show you guys how it applies. Like, holy crap. Creamy. That is amazing. I am pretty sure this is a full size product. And that's it. Normally you only get 5 products, but I got 6. They sent me the Tula Advanced Neck Cream, which they sent me in a previous box too. So can never go wrong with too many. But this says here, it is the Youth Activating Neck Cream. It delivers intense hydration to the delicate neck and décolleté area and fights the appearance of lines and wrinkles and creepy skin. It helps prevent a loss of firmness, and you apply to clean skin and dry skin in the morning and the evening. So it's just like a nice cream, and it is very soft. It doesn't have much of a scent, but the little scent that it does have is kind of just like a clean, fresh scent. I have a little bit of makeup on my neck because I'm pale as can be, if you guys couldn't tell, like, and I'm veiny as could be as well, clearly. Like, I'm using my phone. It's not even that great quality camera, and you can see my intense freaking veins running up and down my arms. It's gross, guys. Summer needs to come so I can get a tan. That is it, guys, for my Allure Beauty unboxing. Oh, it says right here, I got another coupon. It says for Glam Squad, beauty service, anytime, anywhere, enter the code BEAUTYBOX to receive 25% off of your blowout. So I don't think I have a beauty squad in my area, but I don't even know if that's like a salon. I don't know. But if you guys live in that area and you have the coupon for the Allure Beauty Box, go get yourself a blowout. Well guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there is anything that you guys would like to see or let me do, like if you would like a tutorial on how I get my textured waves, or if you want a tutorial on my makeup look for today, you know you do, just comment down below and I will definitely get to filming that video for you guys. Have a wonderful day, my beautifuls, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.